Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline. Now normally you have my partner Ellie that's showcasing some of our work, but today I'm here in Atlanta at T-sportline in Atlanta, and I've got a chance to show you this beautiful Cybertruck. And you're gonna notice right away, we've wrapped this with 3M Satin Thundercloud. This is a vinyl wrap that we put on here. And this color has been fairly popular. We've done several DIY kits that we've shipped out to customers. We've installed them in LA and we've installed them in Atlanta. And finally, we get a minute, we're gonna do a quick video and just show you everything about this. I think my opinion is this color with the black trim on the Cybertruck looks fantastic. I personally am growing more and more fond of the satin look. I think it's maybe a little easier to keep clean and make it look fresh. Satin looks right on the Cybertruck. And I just love this. This is like a dark gray. It's got a little bit of a metallic tint to it, and it looks good against the black trim. I think this is really a pretty awesome way to go. We haven't put the wheels on it yet. We're still talking to the customer, possibly a light bar coming, but I'm curious, let me know what you guys think of this color. Is this something you guys think is cool? What else do you guys want to see? I think we've got some blackout kits now that we're doing up on this upper arch here that are going to be blacking that out. We've got a cool new blackout kit that goes back here for making another look of a window back here. We're moving into that phase of doing different graphics and making more exciting versions of Cybertruck. So drop a comment below. Let us know, what do you think of this? What do you want to see from us next? All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon because we have a lot more Cybertrucks coming your way.